This morning, so they're setting up. I'm going to show you what we used. See this foam? It expands. We've used it lots of times. It works so well. But we got them set all the way up the hill. It's completely ready in 2 to 3 hours and completely cured, I think, the next day. So we're real happy with how it's turning out. What we got delivered? The fence came this morning. I'm so excited. So as soon as those posts are set and we have the 2x4s up, we'll be able to start our fence. Well, I'm in the hoop house and the fan's going because in here it's 100 degrees. Outside it's 70 some. I'm gonna have to put my shade cloth on, but I'm just planting a whole bunch of pumpkins and squash. I like to plant a lot of different kinds. Some of them, of course, I use for pies and breads, but the different ones are just so flavorful. And there might be a few that you've never even heard of. Now, when I plant my pumpkins or squash seeds, a lot of people will do it this way or this way, but I push them in sideways. So I just turn them on their side, press them down about 1 inch, cover it up. And if I need to add a little more soil after I water, I will. This is a potting mix that I like to use. It's a family-owned company. It's called Kellogg. And I've just been really happy with it. And so I'll just go through this process and putting them all in sideways. And then I'll water them well. And see how they're just in these plastic trays? Sorry, my finger was in the way. In these plastic trays. That way when I water, I don't have to water on top. I can water from the bottom. Though the very first time I am going to water from the top, but then after that, it will always be from the bottom. And I'll keep you updated on this progress.